Looks like a hernia in my leg.
Right, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. My name's Jay, welcome to the channel. As you can see, sunny day. And we are on our way to sunny Belper. Belper is near Derbyshire. We're going to a calf called, I think it's called Buck Calf. I'm going to meet up with Moist Decoy. And he's meeting a couple of pals there. And I think Motovlog UK is going to be there as well, which is good. Unfortunately, no Carts Wheels or Mrs. Carts. And you can tell it's a bank holiday because the traffic is shit. So you probably also noticed as well that I'm on a completely different bike. I don't know if you can tell from that view what it is. What's going off here? So you're doing his ear going in. Chatsworth House, beautiful estate here. So yeah, we're just going over to Belper. I've got my sat nav on to this Buck Calf. Never been there before. I'm just going to get some brekking, then I think we're going for a little ride. I've got Will behind me on the mto7. I'm not on comms with him yet because I'm just doing a bit of an intro. But yeah, I'm on this. I'm on the BMW Adventure 1200. It's not brand new, it's new to me. It's the 2017. Full service history, excellent condition. And yes, I just give up on the Ducati. The Ducati's gone. Absolutely gutted about the Ducati going, but do you know what? I mentioned, I put out a video just mentioning about the problems that I was having with it. I'd already had 2 sensors go down, and then I'd got another issue with the switch. Well, that switch completely died, and I was using the main button to start the bike. And there was another fault light coming on with the suspension. So I just cut my losses and I thought, you know what, I just can't be arsed with this anymore. And it is more about the convenience. It wasn't about, you know, yeah, I could have took it to Ducati and got it fixed and it just cost money, but it's just the inconvenience about it and stuff. And when it's done, is it going to be right? People warn me against Ducatis. They are very temperamental, very beautiful bikes, very temperamental. And I think when you've had one that's more than 3-4 years old, you know, then anyway, I don't want to talk about it because I'll get upset. So yeah, we're just banging down here, and there's traffic absolutely everywhere, and there's a lot of people just ain't got a clue how to drive even. There's Will at the side of me, look. Right, let's get this comms back on. Can you hear me, Will?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Sound. God, how busy was that Chatsworth House?
Oh.
I bet it says 39 minutes, but we're going to get all that traffic in Matlock as well.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe it wasn't such a good idea coming this way.
Should have just done the motorway.
Should have just done the motorway, we'd have been there now. Right, I'm going, mate. Okay.
Yep.
Right here, pop. That wasn't too bad actually, to be fair.
No.
I think this just goes through to Belper, you know.
Yeah.
I'm just seeing a sign there, so. We're 5 miles away, 10 minutes. Not too bad, is it?
Hell, that guy had a lot of neck.
A lot of neck.
Yeah. When he was looking down at his phone, it was just like all neck.
Is that what we're doing, looking at his phone?
But
Was he
yeah, that's all he was doing.
Was he driving?
No, it's stood up on the road.
Oh, right, I didn't see.
See what I mean when you look back on your camera.
Yeah. Be nice if it was set back off the road. There, it's there. Right on your right, look. See it?
Yeah.
It's that big fucking place there. Looks quite nice, doesn't it? So I'm guessing we're going to Morrison's then. Right, I'm going to go right here, mate. I think it's up there.
I think it used to be a McDonald's.
Oh yeah. Whoa, don't think they're here.
Bikes.
Don't think they're here yet.
There's a GS here.
Where? Oh, is there a red VFR as well?
I don't know.
That looked like Dave's.
Yeah, there is. Yeah, there's a bright red bike.
Oh, right. Let's crack on.
How's it going, Shay? Right, Paul. Alright.
This is Will.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, good.
Nice.
Come round here.
How's it going, Paul?
Alright, what are you?
I was right there. Hey!
Just down a bit. So are we following Moisty then, yeah?
Yeah. Okay. Mate, this is not gonna like this fucking red piece of shit.
Take me to the ruins, aquifers and springs, baby ferns uncurling, every living thing. Be to me a mother, both hands on the wheel. Show me faded color, fields of chamomile. All at once in a dream, we are together. You could call it a vision or a tether. All at once I can see it put back together. You could call it a vision or a tether. Take me to the jungle.
Yeah.
Dave, you... God, it's packed, isn't it? Canal, there's a big... What's going off down there? I'm going here. So, how you doing, mate? How's the...
I'm alright, mate, thank you.
We're like GS Bum Bandits now, aren't we not?
GS wank. Yeah, that's as long as we're not wank off, mate.
No, that's fine. You do know this is going on YouTube.
So briefly. Put it on, mate, I don't care.
I'm not going to put that bit on.
You're going to edit that bit out?
I might do. I might get lynched by a load of BMW riders.
Hello, mate.
You're just in the sun there, mate.
Alright, Crazy Legs fans, how you going? Are you feeling loved?
They are now, mate. Are you enjoying it, Dave?
It's good, isn't it?
Your kind of weather, innit?
It's beautiful, man. We should put my leathers on now.
Did you like that off-roading that we just did?
Yeah, great.
I wonder if that Ducati's been there all night because he broke down.
I'd guarantee it.
Rain, wasn't it?
It's been rain. It was forecast rain, so we had to leave it overnight.
RAC will be here in a minute.
Oh, you don't want them. That's the way I had. It took about 6 hours to get to me. Mind you, did say if you had a Honda, it'd have been there in an hour.
Yeah. It would have probably fixed itself. Just turn it off and on again.
Yeah.
How's
the ice cream? You're on the angle there.
Sport, look, moisty.
You like that? I put it on the angle look, 'cause it's a bit artistic. Oh, I forgot I had that. There you go.
There's tranquilizer.
This is vagina.
$1 million boat in this, isn't it? That's a drip down your face though. Right, we've had a good time, so you enjoyed it?
Really good.
You're a bit nervous about cameras, aren't you, mate? He's not nervous,
Best
are you,
thing
mate?
about summer is lycra.
What do you say,
Doesn't
Dave?
really suit you though, mate. As you can see, it's a massive sausage.
looks like a hernia in my leg.
With varicose veins on it.
You got any final thoughts then, Dave?
Me?
Trying to close this show.
I've had better days, to be honest.
What would you say to people who's missed today? Like Mr. Carts and Mrs. Carts?
Slackers.
Slappers?
Slackers.
Oh.
Slackers. Must try harder.
Yeah. Why did they miss it? Was they on the drink last night?
I don't know.
I bet C's getting loads of that, isn't
Dave, can you do me a favour, mate? Don't look me in the eyes when you do it.
I finish quicker if I do.
Right, on that note.
Sorry.
Oh, we're turning left.